Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly in India? Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly in India? The Constituent Assembly was a body of representatives composed for the purpose of drafting and adopting the Constitution. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha was the first chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Later on, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president and H.C. Mukherjee as its vice president. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.